Okay, today we are going to be learning, this is our second video in Unit 2 on page 291 and 292. Yes, you'll be doing the front and the back. You'll also be doing another speed drill unless you did all of them yesterday or have already done them. So today we're going to be reviewing once again, estimating. Now we have the numbers like this, or the problems like this. So it's sort of easier. We can estimate. I'm not going to draw our number line because now we should be getting into our brain about it, not putting it out on paper. So 71, we start with the 7. It can either be between what? Two numbers, 70 and 80. Then we look at the 1. Is 1 greater than 5? No, it's not. So it would be estimated at 70. And my pen isn't going to work. Let me get a different one. There we go. And then 16, we look at this. It'll be between what two numbers when you count by tens? 10 and 20. Then we look at the 6. Is 6 greater than 5? Yes. So we are going to round it to 20. 70 plus 20. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. Which that would be the estimated of that. If we were doing it, let me put that down so it won't be confusing. This would be 90. And then we would do 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. Then we would be saying 8, it would be between 80 and 90. Look at 7, it's greater than 5, so it would be estimated to 90. So your problem would be right. Let's look at another one. 17 plus 18. 17 would be rounded to what? 10 or 20? 20. Plus 18 would be rounded to what? 20. So the estimated sum of 17 plus 18 is 40. Now, if you don't have to do this on the paper, that's fine. If you've already could do it in your brain, wonderful. If you can't, write it below it, that's fine. 17 plus 18. Now we're going to check it and make sure that we did it right. 7 plus 8 is 15. Bring your 5 over. Carry your 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 35. We're looking, it would be estimated between what two numbers? 30 and 40. 5, so it's a 5, so we would estimate it up to 40. And that is right. Now let's look at these. Remember what in temperatures, this means degrees. The little symbol means degrees, and it's up at the top, not in the middle or down below. It's up at the top. We are looking at those, and we're trying to figure out which temperature is closest to the freezing point. Now, what is the freezing point? Anyone remember? The freezing point is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So we want to know what is below freezing in these temperatures. Is 44 below freezing? No. 31? Yes. 14? Yes. 37? No. And 48? No. So the temperatures below the freezing point of 32 degrees Fahrenheit would be 31 degrees and 14 degrees. Now we are going to learn about something a little, we've discussed it a little, but not so far as having written out problems. So let me erase this real quick. And let me get my black pen. And I'll be writing as I read. All right. Andrew bought a Moose coffee mug at the Rocky Mountain National Park gift shop. The mug cost $6. Andrew gave the clerk a $10 bill. Did Andrew have enough money to buy this mug? Yes. Did Andrew pay too much money? The mug was $6. He gave him a $10 bill. Did he give him too much money? Yes, but he couldn't break it up, so he had to give him the $10 bill. What does the clerk do? The clerk is going to give him back change, which we've talked about change before when we are in the lunchroom or when we're doing Friday special lunch. Some of you will pay more and you'll get change back. So this is just like that. Should Andrew get some money back? Yes. The money Andrew gets back is called change. We can figure how much change Andrew gets by subtracting by subtracting $6 from $10. Now we have to subtract. 0 minus 0. Bring down your 0, bring down your 0, bring down your decimal. Can we subtract? Can we take 6 from 0? No, so we have to borrow. Make that a 0, make this a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. How much change will Andrew get back? $4. Now let's do another one about Emily. Emily bought 4 elk magnets for her friends. Each magnet cost $2. How much money does she need? Now this is not a, first we have to figure out how much money she even needs. 4 magnets at $2 would be 4 magnets times $2 would be $8. That should have a, there. I know that's not, let me just write it out correctly so it will be done correctly. Make it nice and neat. So 4 times $2 would be $8 because we're just doubling the 4. Now, Emily gives the clerk a $10 bill also. So we have $10. And we're going to take away, how much do all 4 magnets cost? $8. I'm going to go ahead and put my decimal there so don't forget. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Borrow from the 1, make this a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down your dollar sign. So her change would be what? $2. Now we're going to do the back of your math, and it is all oral. I have to call out these answers. So let me get on the right page. Get your paper ready. Okay. I have been missing you all and praying for you and praying for everybody to be safe. And I love you. And I'm talking so you can get your paper ready, get your pencil ready, and we're going to do these oral problems. Now remember, this is a video, so if I go too fast, you can just rewind it and look at it again or listen to it again. Okay. Number 1, or section 1, listen to your teacher and mark the correct answer. Look at the number word in section 1. Mark under the box that has combinations that mean the same as the number word. Both combinations have to equal that number word. Section 2, continue the counting pattern and mark under the correct answer. Section 3, look at the number, mark under the combination that means the same. Section 4. Look at the place value card. Mark under the correct number. Section 5. Mark under the number with a 4 in the tens place. Section 6. Look at the combination to the left. Mark under the combination that means the same. Section 7. Mark under the answer that is the estimated sum. Now, the rest of the sections, 7, 8, 9, and 10, are going to be sort of like word problems, so listen carefully. I will read them 2 times, but also remember you can just rewind and listen to it again. Marco and Sophia went fishing with their dad. Marco caught 6 fish, and Sophia caught 7. How many fish did the children catch altogether? Mark under the correct combination. Section 9. Marco, Sophia, and Dad went fishing another day. Each one caught 2 fish. How many fish did they catch in all? Mark under the correct answer. If the answer is not on your paper, mark NH for not here. And number 10, Mom bought 9 snack bars to give to Marco, Sophia, and Dad before their fishing trip. She gave each of them an equal number of snack bars. How many bars did each person get? Mark under the correct answer if the answer is not on your paper. Mark NH for not here. Now, I only read those once, I just realized, but you can rewind it and listen to it again if you need to. You all have a great day. Do all of your work. Behave yourself. Try your best. Use your brain that I know you have, and I know everyone will do great. Have a good day. Love you. Bye.